I am so excited to welcome you all. Thank you for choosing WVC for your premier continuing education.
Just the camaraderie that you have in this space is amazing. And so this is one of my favorite conferences that I attend every year.
So how about a big hand for our friends at the Viticus Group for putting this on?
We're ecstatic to share that we're adding Nashville as our second home to both year-round hands-on training and an additional veterinary conference location.
To have a show of this caliber going to Nashville, I think is super exciting for the entire industry.
We have a lot of good customers in that region, so it'll be good to connect with our current customers and grow more partnerships.
And also, this is going to be a new audience, so I'm really excited to see new people.
It's a lot of good education. There's a lot of good products that you get to see on display. A lot of good opportunities if you're networking for positions or roles within the profession.
We have expanded into our Zen garden, so we've got our yoga hut and then a maker space, and then we also have our two sponsored areas, the cat cafe and then the dog house.
This is where veterinary professionals connect for smart, serious fun.